Section 7.2 RA-1, suppose x is a normal random variable with a mean of mu, which is equal to 47, and a standard deviation of sigma, which is equal to 12. In part A, we want to compute the z-value corresponding to x is equal to 32. So let's write out the given information. We know that x is equal to 32. We know that our mean is equal to 47. And we know that our standard deviation is equal to 12. The formula to find the z-score, or the z-value, is equal to x minus mu over the standard deviation. And it's important that the x is written first in the numerator and then subtracting the mean. So therefore, let's go ahead and solve for that. So we have z, which is going to equal x, which is 32, minus 47 over the standard deviation of 12. And 32 minus 47 is equal to negative 15 over 12. And negative 15 over 12 is equal to negative 1.25. So now in part B, it says, suppose the area under the standard normal curve to the left of the z-value found in part A is 0.1056. We want to know what is the area under the normal curve to the left of x is equal to 32. Well, first let's draw our bell curve. Okay, and so we have our bell curve. And so we know that the mean of this bell curve is at 47. And so what we want to do is we have a value where x is equal to 32. And we want to find the area that's shaded to the left of this, which is the probability. Okay, now from the above z-score, we found that under the standard normal curve, okay, the standard normal curve tells us that we have 0 as our mean. And if you notice that the value that we got for our z-score was negative 1.25, which is to the left of 0. So we want to find the area to the left of that z-score. Well, in the first sentence, it told us that this is the area of that area to the left of that z-score, which is 0.1056. So it says, what is the area under the normal curve to the left of x is equal to 32? Well, that's the same thing. The area is going to be also 0.1056 because we converted these numbers into the standard normal curve. So therefore, our answer is 0.1056. Okay, now in part C, it's asking us what is the area under the normal curve to the right of x is equal to 32. Well, let's take a look at that picture. Okay, so if we draw that picture, okay, this is our picture, right? And we want to now determine, okay, what is the area to the left? Well, we know that the entire area of the entire bell curve is 1. And so we're going to subtract the area to the left. And so the area to the left is 0.1056. So if we take 1 and we subtract 0.1056, we get 0.8944. So that means that this area is going to be 0.8944.